أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Today our topic is fail की तारीफ और उसकी पहचान. The definition of verb and its identification in Arabic language. In previous lecture we have learned about Mada or Wazan. Mada is the root word and Wazan is a standard used in Arabic language for the check of verbs. Today our topic is the definition of verb and its identification in Arabic language. First of all, the definition of fail. An action is known as verb. For example, we have an action eating, drinking, writing, reading. These all are verbs. In Arabic language, किसी काम का करना, होना, सहना जिसमें ज़माना पाया जाए. किसी काम का करना, the doing of any action. होना या सहना, the occurring of any action जिसमें ज़माना पाया जाए, in which the tense has occurred. The doing of any action in which the tense or the time has occurred is known as fail, the verb. The second point about the verb in Arabic language is that the fail verb will always be in subjective case. It will give the meaning of subjective case. The meaning which produced by subjective case will be present in the meaning of the fail in Urdu language. Fail खुद ब खुद सरजद नहीं होता. The verb cannot exist without the subject. It means that any work cannot occur without the subject. Subject is necessary for any verb in Urdu, Arabic, English language. It means that the universe cannot be occur without the Allah. Allah created the universe. This point of the verb keep a great philosophy, and here the creation of universe by Allah has proved. काम करने वाला मौजूद होता है. It means that in any verb the subject is present. Either it is hidden in the verb or it is right with the verb in the form of pronoun. तीन हर्फी सुलासी मुजरद माजी में होता है. Any verb which has three letters is known as the verb of past tense. And the term used for such a verb in Arabic language is sulasi mujarrad, तीन हर्फी सुलासी मुजरद. And any verb which has unknown subject is known as mazi ma'ruf, and which subject is unknown is known as mazi majhul. The wazan used for mazi ma'ruf is fa'ala, fa'ila, fa'ula. Any verb which come according to these awzan will be known as mazi ma'ruf. Mazi ma'ruf is such a verb which has the subject, which has unknown subject, and these are the awzan for identifying the mazi ma'ruf. And second is mazi majhul, which has unknown subject, and we will know mazi majhul by the wazan of fu'ila. Any verb which come according to this wazan or which agree with this wazan will be mazi majhul. It means that its subject will be unknown. This is our topic of fail ki tarif. And now we will learn the identification of fail in Arabic language. We have three standards which we learned in the previous lecture, Mada or Wazan. Any verb which agree with these three awzan, which agree with these three standards, will be known as a fail, a verb in Arabic language. For example, we have a verb zaraba. In this zaraba is agree with this standard. It means that it is according to this standard because this standard has three letters and zaraba has three letters. In this standard, all the three letters are maftuh. It means that all brought dama. In this example, all the three letters za, dra, ba brought dama. And we can say that it is a verb and it is mazi ma'ruf because its subject is known. When we people say that zaraba, it means that he killed. Then here the question arises that who killed? Then we will answer that which has done the action of killing, then we will put his name. And any verb which come according to this standard, it will be also mazi ma'ruf, and it will also a verb. And any verb which come according to this standard, he will be also a fail or a verb. It is its identification. And if any verb come according to this standard, it will be also considered a fail, but it will be mazi majhul because its subject will be unknown. Another topic with us is gardan and sigha. In Arabic language, there are the group of the standards which is known as gardan, and by gardan we people check the verbs, and in this the verbs condition, the verb gender, and the verb condition has discussed. This is gardan, and this gardan is for past. It is for past tense. And this gardan is for ma'ruf, mazi ma'ruf, which is unknown subject. In this, these are the adad, wahid, tasniya, jama, singular, dual, plural. And these are the gender, muzakkar, muannas, masculine and feminine, and these fa'altu, fa'alna used for both muzakkar and muannas, masculine and feminine. And these are the pronoun categories: ghaib, third person; hazar, second person; mutakallim, first person, which is talking, which is present, and which is not present is known as ghaib. And for ghaib terminology used in this table, there are 15 standards which is for the checking of the verbs. And these standards are fa'ala, fa'ala, fa'alu, fa'alat, fa'alata, fa'alna, fa'alta, fa'altuma, fa'altum, fa'alti, fa'altuma, fa'altunna, fa'altu, fa'alna, fa'alna. And the second is sigha. Sigha, with the help of gardan, the derivation of the name of any verb with according to his pronoun is known as sigha. For example, we have a verb zaraba, he killed. Sigha is the name of the standard or shape of any verb in gardan. For example, we have a verb zaraba. It comes according to this standard fa'ala, which is present in gardan. And the name of this, first of all, it is a verb of fil mazi, a past time. And second, it used for singular, wahid. Third point about this, it is for masculine, muzakkar. And the fourth point about this, it is used for the third person, and the word used for third person is ghaib in Arabic language. Now it is its name mazi, wahid, muzakkar, ghaib. We will translate this verb according to this. Now we will learn that how we will identify a verb through pronoun. There are two categories of pronoun: ज़माइर अलैदा और जुड़कर आने वाली. ज़माइर अलैदा are those pronouns which come separate from the noun, and the term used for this in Arabic language is detached pronoun. And जुड़कर आने वाली ज़माइर मुत्तसिला, these are attached pronouns, come in attachment with the noun. These nouns come in three conditions: फ़ाइली, मफ़ूली, इज़ाफ़ी, subjective, objective, and possessive case. We people discussed this in murakkabi izafi. Mafuli has discussed in nominal sentence, and in this the fa'ili in detached pronoun, the subjective case is also discussed in nominal sentence. And today we will discuss in zamair muttasila, the subjective case. There are 13 pronouns used in gardan: fa'ala, fa'ala, fa'alu. In these, two are hidden pronoun, and for the hidden pronoun, the term used in Arabic language is mustatar. The two are mustatar, and the pronoun which is hidden in the verb, those verbs are fa'ala, fa'alat. This the pronoun huwa is hidden, and in this hiya is hidden. Huwa is used for muzakkar and it is also muzakkar and masculine. Hiya is for feminine and fa'ala is a feminine, and in this huwa and hiya is hidden pronoun. And the remaining these words which is extra from the three letters are the symbols of pronoun. For example, in the fa'ala, alif, fa'alu, waw, alif, and in fa'alata, ta, alif, fa'alna, noon, fa'alta, ta, fa'altuma, tuma, fa'altum, in this tum, and in this te, in this tuma, in this tunna, in these two na. These are 13 pronouns appear with the verb, and these are 13 pronouns collectively, and these pronouns are known as zamair muttasila marfu'a. Jazakumullah.